परिया सुने आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Today we have to start family Apocynaceae, and in this case we have to see the systematic position, vegetative characters, floral characters, and economic importance of this family, like that of Solanaceae and Malvaceae. Yes. So systematic position is nothing but the classification of that particular family. So in this case, all families are of dicotyledons except Poaceae. ना? तो डिवीजन फेनोरोगेम्स ये सब फैमिलीज का सेम रहेगा. Why it is फेनोरोगेम्स? रीजन ऑफ फेनोरोगेम बिहाइंड that is seed bearing plants. Then subdivision angiosperms, seeds are enclosed class dicotyledon because of reticulate venation and pentamerous flowers are there. That's why this family is included under the class dicot. Subclass Gamopetalae, the reason behind it, the petals are fused. Then series Bicarpellate, carpels are usually 2 and ovary is superior. Carpels 2 hai, ovary superior hai. That's why this family is included under Bicarpellate. Then order Gentianales. The reason behind this is nothing but leaves are opposite, flowers are actinomorphic, and stamens are epipetalous. Then family Apocynaceae. फैमिली अपोसाइनेसी का क्या है इसके अंदर? रीजन साइमोस इन्फ्लोरेसेंस है. स्टेमेंस आर नॉट गाइनेंड्रस ना. स्टेमेंस आर नॉट गाइनेंड्रस. ओव्यूल्स 1 or 2 in each locule. Ovaries 2 free, that is apocarpus, but united by the styles, and latex is present. So in this case we have seen before cymose inflorescence means what, but here stamens are gynandrous. What is gynandrous stamens? Gynandrous stamens are nothing but the anthers are fused with gynoecium or the stigma. We have seen what is polyandrous stamen, what is monadelphous stamen, what is diadelphous stamen, what is polyadelphous stamen. Then we have to see what is syngenesis stamen, synandrous stamens, and gynandrous stamens. Syngenesis, we have seen, for example, the stamens are diadelphous, monadelphous, or polyadelphous. The definition of diadelphous stamen is nothing but stamens are united in 2 bundles with the help of their filament, and anthers are free. But here, in this case, the anthers are united to the stigma and filaments are free. Yes, filaments are free. So it is nothing but gynandrous stamens. Yes. Then we have to see, in this case, the latex is present. Latex is present. Means what is the latex? Milky latex is present in the stem as well as in leaf. That is nothing but liquid-like substance, or milky latex is present in the stem or as well as in the leaf. Is nothing but the latex is present. That's why this family is included under family Apocynaceae. Then we have to see the general information of this family is nothing but it includes 180 genera and about 1,500 species. 1,500 species, and distribution of this family is through warmer parts of the world. It is the members of this family are found in the warmer parts of the world. So it is a general information. Means general information में क्या आएगा? Number of genera. कितने genera is under 180? Near about 180 genera. Yes. Then number of species 1,500 species. Near about 1,500 species. Yes. So number of species is increasing. जब भी रिसर्च होगा, कोई एडिशन होगा, तो इसमें जब नेक्स्ट पीरियड होगा, नेक्स्ट ईयर के बच्चे को होगा, तो नंबर ऑफ स्पीसीज आर 1550, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. यस. तो नियर अबाउट 180 genera and 1500 species are there in this family, and the members of this family are found in the warmer parts of the world. Then familiar plants में क्या है? Familiar plants बोले तो क्या? ऐसे प्लांट जो अपने को नोन है, जो अपने को मालूम है, जो जनरली अब इससे आप 500 1500 तो प्लांट के नाम नहीं लिख सकते अपन, 180 जनरा के नाम नहीं लिख सकते, तो फैमिलियर प्लांट्स गिने चुने अपन इसके अंदर इसलिए ले रहे. फर्स्ट प्लांट दैट इज कैथेरंथस रोजियस. कैथेरंथस रोजियस is a familiar plant of this family and it is commonly called as sadabahar or sadapuli. It is commonly called as sadabahar or sadapuli. Then second familiar plant, that is nothing but Nerium indicum, and it is commonly called as kaner. No, it is commonly called as kaner. Then third one is Hevacea peruviana, that is pili kaner. No, this pili kaner, gulabi kaner or pili kaner. Then sadabahar, and next one is Rauwolfia serpentina, that is nothing but sarpagandha. It is commonly called as sarpagandha. So these are some familiar plants of the family Apocynaceae. Then next to the familiar plants, we have to see vegetative characters of this family. A vegetative character includes habit, root, stem and leaf. Vegetative character में क्या आता? Habit, root, stem और leaf. Yes. Then vegetative इसके habit क्या है? Habit of family Malvaceae. Some plants are, some are shrubs, some are trees, और दे मे बी क्लाइंबर्स. मीन्स इस फैमिली के अंदर हर्ब हैबिट के भी प्लांट आते हैं, श्रब के भी आते हैं, ट्री के भी आते हैं, और समटाइम्स दे आर क्लाइंबर्स आल्सो. अब व्हाट इज हर्ब, व्हाट इज श्रब, व्हाट इज ट्री, दैट वी हैव सीन इन सेमेस्टर, दैट इज इन केस ऑफ मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ एंजियोस्पर्म्स. यस यस परिया.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have to see the root. रूट में क्या है? टैप रूट सिस्टम. अब अपन जो 12 से 14 फैमिली देखने वाले, हर फैमिली के अंदर आपको टैप रूट सिस्टम देखेगा. Why? Because the tap root system is the characteristic of dicotyledons. है ना? टैप रूट डाइकोटिलेडॉन्स की जितने भी फैमिली है उसके अंदर आपको टैप रूट सिस्टम ही मिलेगा, और मोनोकॉट के जो फैमिली है आपको उसके अंदर एडवेंटेशियस रूट मिलेगा. Yes, so tap root system is the characteristic of dicotyledons. तो जो भी अपन 8-10 फैमिली जो भी पढ़ेंगे 10 से 12, तो उसके अंदर आपको टैप रूट ही मिलेगा. जब भी रूट का डिस्क्रिप्शन आएगा वेजिटेटिव कैरेक्टर में, आप टैप रूट ही पाएंगे. व्हाई? बिकॉज द फैमिली इज ऑफ डाइकॉट. द फैमिली इज ऑफ डाइकॉट. देन इन केस ऑफ मोनोकॉट, द रूट सिस्टम इज एडवेंटेशियस रूट सिस्टम. यस. देन नेक्स्ट टू दिस we have to see the stem. अब स्टेम के अंदर क्या है? herbaceous stem, aerial stem, erect stem, angular stem. Stem is branched, it is solid, then it is purple red or milky latex present, and it is the characteristic of family Apocynaceae. तो herbaceous stem बोले तो क्या? ये आपने देखा हुआ है. Then aerial stem means जमीन के ऊपर आने वाला stem, that is aerial stem. The plants which are of family Apocynaceae, they are aerial. Erect means सीधा stem, खड़ा stem. Angular means, what is angular stem? In transverse section, the outline of the stem is angular, not in circular shape. Yes. Then the stem is branched, then stem is solid, then stem is tuberous. Purple red color, the stem. Look, this stem. This is the stem of Catharanthus roseus. No, this is the stem of Catharanthus roseus, that is, and it is purple red in color. Then milky latex is present. Here, look this figure left side. मिल्की लैटेक्स मीन्स जब भी आप लीफ तोड़ेंगे तो उसके अंदर से मिल्की लैटेक्स प्रेजेंट है, मिल्की लैटेक्स बाहर आएगा. दैट इज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ मिल्की लैटेक्स इन द स्टेम ऑफ द member of family Apocynaceae, and presence of milky latex is the characteristic of this family. Presence of milky latex is the characteristic of family Apocynaceae. Yes. Then we have to see the leaf. of the family Apocynaceae. We have to see the leaf. Leaf में क्या है? Caulin and ramal leaves are there. Opposite decussate phyllotaxy is there. Sometimes word, that is, for example, in Nerium. Caulin and ramal leaf, that is, the leaves originate from the main stem as well as from the lateral branches called as caulin and ramal leaves. The leaves are opposite in nature, means the phyllotaxy is opposite, means formation of two leaves at each node. Formation of two leaves at each node is there. That's why family is opposite. But here, family opposite is subdivided into two subtypes. Family, sorry, opposite phyllotaxy is subdivided into two subtypes. That is opposite decussate and opposite superposed. Opposite decussate and opposite superposed. Yes, what is opposite decussate? In this family, the leaves are opposite decussate. Means what? Opposite superposed बोले तो क्या है? In short, the definition of opposite phyllotaxy is formation of two leaves at each node. एक node पर दो leaf form होना, that is opposite phyllotaxy. But in this opposite phyllotaxy further subdivided into two subtypes, that is opposite decussate and opposite superposed. Opposite decussate and opposite superposed. So opposite decussate is nothing but the formation of two leaves at each node. ये सही है, but the first pair is at right angle to the neighboring pair, है ना? Suppose this is the first pair, ये एक लीफ है यहाँ पर, ये दूसरा लीफ है पेयर का, और ये इसके ऊपर की जो पेयर है नेक्स्ट वाली, ये फर्स्ट पेयर के राइट एंगल में है, फर्स्ट पेयर के राइट एंगल में है. यहाँ पर भी दो लीव्स फॉर्म हो गए हुए हैं, यहाँ पर भी दो लीव्स फॉर्म हो गए हुए हैं. मतलब यहाँ पर से दो, ये नोड से दो लीव्स ओरिजिनेट हो गए, ये नोड पे से दो लीव्स ओरिजिनेट हो गए, अब से भी दो लीव्स ओरिजिनेट हो गए. बट हियर द नेबरिंग पेयर इज एट राइट एंगल टू द नेबरिंग पेयर. मतलब ये जो पेयर है इसके राइट एंगल को ये है, ये जो पेयर है इसके राइट एंगल को ये पेयर है. मीन्स दिस इज नथिंग बट opposite decussate. Opposite decussate and opposite superposed बोले तो क्या है? One pair and exactly above the second pair and they are in parallel plane. दोनों पेयर क्या रहेंगे? ये फॉर एग्जाम्पल दो लीव्स फॉर्म हो गए एक डंडी पे, दोनों एक साइड से फॉर्म हो जाएंगे, दो 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 दो, दे आर इन parallel plane, but these are in perpendicular plane, means they are formed at right angle to the each other. Means the phyllotaxy which found in this family is nothing but opposite decussate. समझ में आया मध्य?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया ना ये opposite decussate और opposite superposed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, but in some cases the phyllotaxy is whorled. What is whorled phyllotaxy? For example, Nerium. In some cases, whorled phyllotaxy, that is in Nerium, है ना? तो क्या है whorled phyllotaxy बोले तो क्या? What is whorled phyllotaxy?
Phyllotaxy means arrangements of
Arrangement of leaves.
Arrangement of leaves है, but what is the whorled phyllotaxy? Whorled phyllotaxy बोले तो
Sir,
क्या?
समझ नहीं आया.
What is whorled phyllotaxy? We have seen that is opposite decussate, opposite superposed. What is the next type, that is whorled phyllotaxy? And whorled phyllotaxy is also found in the member of this family. For example, Nerium. Nerium के अंदर आपको whorled phyllotaxy मिलेगा यहाँ पर.
सर वो सर्कस बनाकर फॉर्म हुए हुए जैसे फ्लावर में.
हाँ, एक नोड पर एक लीफ फॉर्म होना, दैट इज अल्टरनेट phyllotaxy. एक नोड पर दो लीफ फॉर्म होना, दैट इज अपोजिट phyllotaxy.
तो चारों तरफ से पूरा.
हाँ, और एक नोड पर दो से ज्यादा फॉर्म होना, एक नोड पर दो से ज्यादा फॉर्म होना, such type of phyllotaxy is nothing but whorled phyllotaxy. Yes, so in this case Phyllotex type of phyllotex is opposite decussate as well as means बोलने के बजाय अपन ये बोल सकते हैं in some cases word phyllotaxy is also there, and for example nerium, that is kaner. In case of kaner word phyllotaxy is there. In case of kaner word phyllotaxy is there. Then leaves are stipulate. Leaves are stipulate. What is stipulate leaf? Yeah. What is stipulate leaf?
सर आपकी आवाज बहुत
आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या?
बहुत ब्रेक हो रहा है सर, एक एक वर्ड ही सुने आ रहा।
नहीं आ रहा। वर्ड phyllotaxy अपन देखे, वर्ड phyllotaxy तक सुने आया क्या? Now see
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही, आवाज नहीं आ रही सर।
leaf. हेलो, आ रहा है क्या आवाज? आ रहा है आवाज?
हाँ सर, अभी अभी अटक रही सर आपकी आवाज।
आ रहा है क्या? अभी आ रहा है क्या?
नहीं, ब्रेक हो रही आवाज।
हाँ, नेट तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम है। मध्य एक एक को पूछता हूँ मैं।
नहीं सर, अभी तैयबा का भी हो रहा है सर, तैयबा को समझ नहीं आ रहा।
सही है, परी आवाज आ रहा? सबका प्रॉब्लम
नहीं
है क्या?
सर, ब्रेक ही हो रहा।
ब्रेक हो रहा? अच्छा, मध्य
हाँ सर।
सर अभी भी आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है।
आवाज नहीं आ रहा, ठीक है। तो अब यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे अपन, ये स्टिपुलेट लीफ, आप अभी आवाज आ रहा आपको?
सर सबको म्यूट कीजिए तो आपकी आवाज शायद क्लियर आएंगी।
म्यूट हो जाओ ना सब।
बाकी स्टूडेंट्स के पीछे का साउंड आ रहा है सर, इसलिए आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही।
आ रहा है क्या आवाज? आप हेलो?
हाँ सर।
आ रहा है ना?
हाँ अभी आ रही है सर।
हाँ, now we have to see the leaves are stipulate leaf. Means in case what is stipule? Stipules are nothing but a small leaf-like organ present at the base of the leaf is called as stipule. If stipule is present, the leaf is stipulate leaf, and if leaf stipule is absent, the leaf is a stipulate leaf. But in this case, in case of family Apocynaceae or the member of family Apocynaceae, and for example Catharanthus roseus, the stipule interpetiolar stipule is there. What is interpetiolar stipule? Interpetiolar stipule is nothing but, this is nothing but stipule. ये दिख रहा है आपको यहाँ पर stipule. This is nothing but stipule. Generally, this stipule is present at the base of the leaf. But here in this case, this stipule is present in petioles. Yes, ये stipule जनरली लीफ के बेस पर रहता है, मगर ये क्या है, लीफ के अंदर है, लीफ के ऊपर है. That's why it is called interpetiolar stipule, है ना? Leaves are stipulate, but they are interpetiolar. They are interpetiolar. Then leaves are simple. Leaf is simple in case of family Apocynaceae. Then leaf is petiolate, means this is nothing but petiolate leaf, having the stalk of leaf is there. That's why the leaf is called as petiolate leaf. It is called as petiolate leaf. Why? Because of the presence of petiole. Then leaf is entire. What is entire leaf? Entire leaf is nothing but the leaf margin is smooth. This is the margin of the leaf and which is smooth, not serrate. Not straight. कट ऑफ हो गई भी मार्जिन नहीं है. ये मार्जिन जो क्या है? स्मूथ मार्जिन is there. That's why it is called as entire leaf. Then lastly, the leaves are unicostate reticulate venation. In this case, the venation is unicostate reticulate, means having a principal vein. This is nothing but midrib, and these are lateral veins which form a network, and it is nothing but unicostate reticulate venation. Means one midrib, one principal vein is there, and these are the venlets which form a network. That's why the venation is reticulate. Reticulate क्यों है? Venlets form network, and unicostate क्यों है? Because of presence of a midrib. Because of presence of a midrib. Then we have to see the next point, that is the floral characters of family Malvaceae. Floral characters of family Apocynaceae. So in this case we have to see first point, that is inflorescence. This inflorescence. Inflorescence में क्या है? In this type axillary diaxial cyme or solitary axillary or terminal. Axillary diaxial cyme or solitary axillary or solitary terminal. So what is diaxial cyme? What is diaxial cyme? Mariam, what is diaxial cyme? What is diaxial cyme?
इसमें टू रहते सर.
The growth of floral axis ends by the formation of two flowers. यहाँ पर दो फ्लावर फॉर्म हो रहे, हर एंड को two flower formation are there. That's why it is called as diaxial cyme. Axillary क्यों है? Because these flowers originate from the axis of the leaf. From the axis of the leaf. That's why it is called as axillary diaxial cyme or solitary axillary. Sometimes solitary single. यहाँ पर diaxial cyme भी है, but sometimes in some species the inflorescence is solitary axillary, means formation of one flower from the axis of the leaf. No, formation of one flower from the axis of the leaf, that is solitary axillary or solitary terminal, or formation of one flower at the tip of the stage, that is solitary terminal. These type of inflorescence are found in the family Apocynaceae, that is axillary diaxial cyme or solitary axillary or solitary terminal. So here we stop here today because the sound is not in proper, our net is not working properly. That's why we have to stop here. Yes, Priya, unmute करो आपको. Priya,
Yes, sir.
Mariam, Tayyaba and Fiza. तो अभी अपन स्टॉप करेंगे, नेटवर्क का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, और जब भी क्लास चालू होगा तो आपका जो तो म्यूट कर रख दो आपका. यस, म्यूट करेंगे ना? हाँ जी,
म्यूट रहने देना है माइक को.
हाँ म्यूट रखो आप. जब भी मेरा क्लास चलेगा तो आप म्यूट रखना आपकी तरफ से. और बाद में जब अब अभी आवाज अच्छा आ रहा था ना? हाँ, तो फिर आप क्या करना, नेक्स्ट पीरियड में आप जब भी क्लास करेंगे तो आपका म्यूट रख जाओ. अभी 5-6 लड़कियां हैं, क्लास कर लो पूरा. और अपन जो है तो फ्लोरल कैरेक्टर्स जो रिमेनिंग है अपने फ्लावर, फेलिक्स, करोला, एंड्रोशियम, फैमिली अपोसाइनेसी की अपन कल देखेंगे. ठीक है?
ओके सर.
ओके.
तैयबा।
हाँ
हेलो हेलो
हेलो तैयबा।
तैयबा कहाँ है तू?
हाँ यही हूँ।
समीना नहीं है क्या?
समीना थी ना।